द्रोणाचार्य पुरस्कार सन्मानित गोयच्या आर्मांडो कुलासोचो मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत हांणी भोवमान केलो। ह्या पुरस्कारान सन्मानित जावपी ते पयले गोंयकार आसात। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Award winner and the category most deserving person. So we are happy to announce that the central government under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji has in fact conferred upon his titles on him, Epauti, and most Sarko, as I said, most deserving person for that award. Sports son, he has really done a lot of work in football. A very acclaimed coach and one of the best in India. So I asked Chief Minister ko comment paila. So Chief Minister is felicitating him also.
Thank you very much for this support. Great push. Appreciate it.
This is
Thank you very much. What's the place? Come closer. Yes. Thank you. For you. Thank you. Very appreciate it. Third Arjun Award. Third.
No, he's Dronacharya.
First Dronacharya. First Dronacharya.
First.
First Dronacharya.